Okay, this is another question about circles and distances, 2D geometry. You can see that 50% of applicants got this one correct. If you want to try for yourself, you can pause the video and have a go at it. So the question is, consider the Cartesian plane xy with the circle x squared plus y squared is 25 and the line 3x plus 4y is 100. Or if we rewrite that, this is y is 100 minus 3x over 4, or minus 3/4 x plus 25. Okay, so the slope here is minus 3/4. What is the distance between consider the point on the circle that is closest to this line. What is the distance? Well, closest to this line, this is the same thing as drawing a line perpendicular to this line, which goes through 0 and which will contain the radius. So it has to be perpendicular, so this is minus 1 over minus 3/4 or 4/3. So the line of the radius will be y is 4/3 of x. So if we draw that, that looks a bit like that. We have our circle with midpoint 0. It has a radius of 5, so 25. And then here we have our line, so this is the line of the radius, 4/3 of x, and our original line, minus 3/4 of x plus 25, and we want to know this distance. So to get the point P, that's fairly easy. That's where these lines meet, so we can just set them equal. So minus 3/4 over x plus 25 equal to 4/3 of x. So that gives you 25 is 4/3 of x plus 3/4 of x, or if we put it on 12s, that's 16x plus 9x over 12, or 25x over 12 is 25. You can scrap the 25, which leaves you with x is 25, and then we can get y very easily. That's just filling in into either of those lines. I'll just take 4/3 of x, that's the easier one. So 4/3 of 12 is 16, so y is 16. So the distance from the origin to point P is simply x squared plus y squared, so 12 plus 16. So 12 squared is 144, and 16 squared is 265. So the square root, obviously. So that's the square root of 400, which is 20. And we know, well, the radius of the circle was 5, so 20 min 5 will give you the distance between the circle and P. So that's 15, and it is the shortest distance because it's a straight line. So 15 is the correct answer here. So if you look at this in Desmond, this is our original circle, this is the original line, this is the line perpendicular, and if we draw a circle through that point here, you can see that the x value will be 20, or the radius will be 20, the y value will be 22 here. So this is 20, this is 5, so the remainder here is 15, as you can see. So that's what it looks like on a nice graph.